start this video, don't forget to subscribe,
like, share, and if you want to coupling.
So today we're gonna be eating with you guys noodles, ramen. The soup is so good.
We made it by ourselves.
I did it.
I made by myself mine.
Yeah, but I helped her, so shut up. I put the boiling water in. Mom will kill you. But anyway, so we're gonna talk about strangers. We're gonna talk about strangers. No, we're gonna talk about
the shipping lady.
Shut up. If you don't know,
guys, I wanna tell you something. I just saw a video.
Yeah.
A lady.
Yeah.
Up at a girl's house on the roof.
What the freak?
I'm dancing.
In the middle of the night?
Yeah. And a girl saw her.
Stay safe, guys. Guys, stay safe. So basically, we have. So guys, off camera we were laughing so much. Okay, so calm down. Oh my god. So guys, I have the chicken ramen and she has the vegetable ramen. I have the chicken flavored ramen and she
have the vegetable.
Because she's vegan.
Bro, shut up. I'm not vegan.
So today we're gonna be talking about
Sherbet ladies.
We're gonna be talking about our videos and questions have been asked.
That's mine.
So basically, wait. The first question: are you an artist? Kind of. Cause like I uploaded a video. Okay, shut up. Cause I uploaded a video saying that like prove that I'm an artist, and if you didn't see this video, check out. Oh, you don't understand. Yeah, she means the strand, right?
I was meaning like something else, but I did.
What is it?
I forgot.
Oh, peace. Or that's something in sign language.
You're so dumb, like.
So basically, cousin. I'm like.
You're so dumb, like my cousin.
I'm gonna tell her. Okay, whatever. So guys. So basically, there's a question.
That you better shut up.
Okay, whatever. There's this question that has been asked. Does Dima have a channel? Yes, she actually have a channel, but it's banned. I don't know who banned it. And who banned it, you're gonna be the victim. You're gonna be Dima's next victim.
The worst YouTube channel. I swear I wanna ban yours right now.
Who banned it? Tell us in the comments, cause you're gonna be the victim.
Yeah.
So, but
from me.
She actually had a channel and it was so freaking cute. It was her when she was small.
It was called Dima Wonderful.
Guys, you can still check it out.
No.
Yes, I think you can still check it out.
We checked it on our TV.
And it's banned forever.
Yeah, forever.
If you try, guys, if you want Dima to do a second channel on her new phone, in the comments, just check it.
That's not a new phone.
Yeah, it's my dad's phone and it's right
No,
now.
it's not.
It's Dima, it's dad's phone.
Enggak, mau coba. Mau coba.
Oh, we're sorry, but it's like,
It's like 3 a.m.
girl, it's 11, not 3. So.
11.
So guys, we don't have that much questions.
We have school.
We go. It's summer vacation. Guys, in 4 days we're trapped.
My sister eats like a rabbit.
A what? A rabbit? I never ate a rabbit. What? The?
No, not ate a rabbit.
Oh,
My sister eats like a rabbit. Because you don't. And you're doing like
Soup.
oh my god, I almost ate it.
Guys, if you want to know what does it look like, look.
It looks like terrible. It looks like throwing up.
Dima,
Noodles.
shut up.
Looks like throwing up
Shut
noodles. Ow! What have you done to my butt?
Dima, stop it.
Oh my god, my
You just want to show you better, not me.
No! No! You did it more on yours. If you do that one more time.
Okay.
That's how you eat, with 2.
Girl, she has a spoon and a fork. Sometimes I just get the noodles and the spoon. We put the whole spice package.
It's not even spicy.
The soup.
It's
You'll
not.
see.
Look.
Yeah. She don't have that much spice.
Bruh, how I put all the packets. How I swear I put all. Let me taste yours then.
I have no. Okay, just the soup. No,
I'm gonna kill you.
it's not me.
Yours is more. Yours is not even spicy. Mine is spicy a bit. Yours is not even spicy,
Show
bro.
Dude, there is no freaking way. Flipping freaking way. Whatever. Yours tastes like lemon.
Lemon. Shut up.
I hate vegetables.
Why?
Because
Vegetables are better than boring chicken.
guys, we're traveling.
Look. That's how you eat. That's how you eat noodles. With a spoon. Look.
Or with the chopsticks, but we don't know how to use chopsticks. So guys, we're traveling in 4 days.
No!
We are.
4 days? No, 3 days.
No, 4 days. We're traveling.
No, 15 days.
Girl, shut the
No!
freak up.
No. 7.
No. So we're traveling.
Nobody can eat from it.
Okay, I don't care. So we're traveling in.
I'm not gonna eat from yours.
Dima, stop it! So we're traveling in 4 days, guys. If you want us to do a traveling vlog,
Definitely
just
not.
comment.
Definitely not.
Why? We're gonna go to the airplane and film. We're gonna be in the airport and film. We're gonna be in the car our way to the
Yeah,
airport
I
and film. We were just saying. about animals. Shoot that ball!
Shoot that ball. Shoot that ball.
We were cheerleading last night.
No, we wasn't. We don't even cheer. Shoot that ball. Yeah.
Dima's teacher learned shoot that ball.
Shoot that ball. Shoot that ball. Shoot that ball. Ooh, shoot that ball. Shoot the ball.
But anyways,
I don't remember it.
it's not her teacher. It's from the UU. And like their teacher copied the YouTube, like literally. Guys, I'm in paradise. Guys, I'm in paradise.
Super command. That's how you eat.
We learned this. Dima, stop. So we learned this. We learned this.
That's much water now.
We learned this.
Look. Okay. Wait, look. Look.
Yeah! Dima! I thought there's like a ghost or something.
This is better. No, yours is bad. Mine is better. My noodles are more softer. I swear mine are more softer. Try that. Try it, Jabinti! Not a big bite. Not a big bite.
I'm gonna cry. I hate vegetables. No.
My sister, everything.
I told you spicy.
My sister, every time when she eats, she's like. And my father is like, stop it, Hala.
Guys, the
And
next.
she's like,
Guys, the next.
enough, bro.
Guys, the next vlog, we're gonna be trying tteokbokki.
Tteokbokki is the
Tteokbokki?
worst. Tteokbokki. I just did like the tears.
Dima, you're
I'm
lying.
kidding. I'm kidding.
So if you don't know what's tteokbokki, they're basically
They don't know.
they're basically rice cakes. What are they?
They are just ladybugs that you can eat. Ladybugs.
Ladybugs.
Oh, they are. I saw on YouTube there's a video that they say tteokbokki is a ladybug. And there's an Egyptian girl saying it like that. Shapoki. And the rest of my life. Come on, let's go.
Guys, I saw a video. Look. So we saw a video, by the way, but I did it. There was a baby doll that was like this. That was like this. And it was like this, and it was like this.
I saw a video. And I saw a video.
Yeah.
And I saw a video. A boy
Yeah.
was in the farm.
Mm.
Then his pantalon, his shorts got up, and then his underwear, everybody saw it. That's weird.
But his underwear only, though.
No.
Wait. Guys, we're just joking.
No,
Shut up. We just like to mess around. Actually.
Go your blue.
What?
Which color do you like better, blue or pink? Please guys, blue. I wanted the pink actually.
Pink is better.
I swear I wanted pink actually.
But you have blue.
Yeah, because you gave it to me.
You didn't choose, guys. It doesn't
Yeah,
matter.
because you didn't bring me.
God,
Loser. You're a loser.
it doesn't matter the color. It matters the taste.
No. It matters what the inside, not the outside. Feel so holy, 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 holy.
What the?
Feel so holy, 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 holy. Oh.
Guys, by the way, like, you've been questioning us a lot. We're Muslim. We're Muslim. Wait. I'm Muslim and I'm proud.
Yes, sir.
What the heck? She's kissing her shirt.
Please. Allah's the best. Best than my mom.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That's what I thought.
And of course I like Allah more than my cousin.
Of course. And
my
I like
grandfather.
Allah more than you.
And I like Mama more than Judy.
Exactly.
You almost finished. Look at me, bro. Hey,
Yo, give me some.
Ha!
Yo, I hate your flavors. Oh.
Yeah.
I know it.
Liar.
Your flavor sucks. Let's drink all the spicy.
You better watch out.
That was good. What was funny? Cut. Guys, whatever, we're back. Cut what happened now.
Did you see that?
Alright,
I
guys,
just like throwed up.
I finished my plate.
Wanna eat?
And she's like, still.
Wanna eat?
No, your flavor sucks.
Look, that's from the chewing gum. Wanna eat? Mama's coming. Feel so holy.
You don't. Because you just spilled soup.
What means holy?
It means like, wait. Feels like you'll go to heaven.
Heaven?
God, you're not going to heaven.
No.
You're going to hell.
You're going to hell.
Wait, stop. It's haram to say to other people you're going to hell or heaven. Who knows?
You said.
Just Allah knows. I said stuff a lot.
Feel so holy.
You don't.
Yes, I do. I will go to heaven.
Okay.
She's the only one shaking. I'm not shaking her head. She loves doing that. And I always feed her.
Dima!
Like a baby boo. I just farted.
You just
Did you hear that fart? Feel so holy.
I'm scared because this is a new shirt. I'm gonna take it off. I wanna take it off.
Yeah, take it.
Dima, shut up. Cut.
I am gonna.
Dima, oh yeah. Just take it off.
Feel so holy.
It's okay. It's a shirt.
No, it's not. It's a vanilla.
Shut up.
Yes, it is.
Liar. Guy, Dima, YouTube will ban us.
Fine. I finished throwing
Look
up.
at all the spicy in my noodle. Look.
How does it stop?
Look at all the spicy.
Can I? That's what you get for not giving me. Ew!
Let's go get us some Coke after we finish
No,
our...
not Coke.
What?
Pepsi.
Pepsi is Coke.
Yeah, no. Coke is Coca-Cola.
Okay, whatever. Let's go bring us some Coke.
Don't. But I did.
Okay, bye.